Hi, we're at Channel Lake State Park, as you can see, and we're going to give you a 180 tour and hope you like it.
This is the main gate.
And we have a little scenic drive back to the campground. Yep.
Alrighty, I think the sign said the Stanley Schoolhouse was open. Oh, it is open. Oh, the teacher's got a hat on. This is 1950. When was this built?
1950.
Oh. That should be good.
Okay.
Alright, here we have a two-bay dump station. Don't drink the water here. Nasty.
Pavilion area. Fish cleaning station. Another dump station.
And trash receptacles.
And trash receptacles. And we have the campground control gate. We have the campground store. Lots of different things. We got the soda machine and ice right outside the campground. Some part of the campground. We got the restroom, one of the restrooms. We got 4 stalls. Not looking the cleanest. We got the shower house. This looks like a bigger one. And we're kind of icky.
All right, here we are with our site 320. I see. Our new rig that we will have some tours of. Our outdoor kitchen setup that we haven't quite figured out yet. Now, this site is really nice. We do enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this video of Channel Lake State Park in Albion, Indiana. Please like. Thank you for watching.